Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account and this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, you can find this in Google Play Store, and aside from that, in Android, and you can also find in Apple Store. So Google Play Store and Apple Store, it depends on your Android phone. It can be also found in website if you're using laptop. Okay. Excuse me. My next necrological video is about Filipino actress who is known as the queen of Philippine cinema, no other than Gloria Romero. Yes, Gloria Romero. By the way, Gloria Romero is a famous actress here in the Philippines for more than more than 60 years. 60 years. Although overall, it reached 70 years, because until she dies. So that's how I compute as a world's famous necrologist. Okay, so much for this. I'll give you all the details, complete details about her. Gloria Romero, in her full name, is Gloria Ann Borrego Gadia, is her real name. She was born on December 16, 1933 in Denver, Colorado, USA. To all viewers, please take note, she died on January 25, 2025, Saturday, at the age of 91. So therefore, she did not reach December 16, 2025. If she reached that date, 2025, she will be 92 supposed to be. Although she died January 25, 2025, at age of 91. Okay. I would like to inform ahead that she married once. She did not remarry. She had a husband named Juancho Gutierrez. They married 1960, and they lasted their marriage for only 12 years. 12 years. For me, as a world's famous necrologist, she should be considered as national artist here in the Philippines. She is survived by her daughter Marites Gutierrez, and she had a grandson named Chris Gutierrez. She appeared in more than 250 motion pictures and television productions. Majority it is more on ABS-CBN and GMA7. By the way, ABS-CBN is in Channel 2. If you are familiar, Palibhasa Lalaki, she appeared so many episodes, mostly, if I'm not mistaken, every Tuesday. I'll give you a feedback. Palibhasa Lalaki is a Philippine TV sitcom that is appeared on ABS-CBN. If you remember Richard Gomez, Cynthia Patag, I think she's already in US. Joey Marquez, the former city mayor of Parañaque. Richard Gomez, the one who was mayor lately in Ormoc, he is now a congressman. Ami Perez, yes, Ami Perez, I can't forget. There's one actor who died of heart attack. Miguel Rodriguez was also included that time. John Estrada, John Estrada was also appeared. Anjo Iliana appeared only few before it ends in 1998. Later I will explain why is it lasted for 11 years. By the way, I would like to inform to all viewers, I will use two languages, English and Tagalog. Doon siya sumikat sa ABS-CBN kaya siya tumagal ng 11 years. 11 years. So, yun ang pinaka-importante. By the way, ang hindi alam ng iba, ako lang may record nito, siya yung actress na nakita ninyo yung kinanta ni Regine Velasquez, yung Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang, 1989. Other news reports, wala silang record. Ako meron yung movie na yan. Yung tanging yaman yung sila ni Johnny Delgado, Jericho Rosales, siya yan gumanap. Year 2000, tanging yaman. Magnifico, siya yung gumanap na Lola. Siya. Yung buhay pa dating actor si Mark Hale, kumbaga yan ang son, tapos may daughter-in-law si Lorna Tolentino. Yung batang na accident ending, yung di ba na bangga si Jiro Manyo, yung actor that time. Magaling siya gumanap that time. Jiro Manyo, Magnifico. So yan. In her public image, she was described as the Grace Kelly of the Philippines for her modest, quiet, and gentle gestures. Okay. By the way, siya yung gumanap na yung sila ni Dolphy, yung Dalagang Ilocana. That was her first famous award for her Best Actress in playing a wacky tobacco smoking maiden. Meron siyang hawak-hawak na tobacco, yung sila ni Dolphy. Kaya hindi yan makakalimutan ng mga Pilipino viewers. Okay, yung sa Palibasa Lalaki, yung sa ABS-CBN Channel 2, nagsimula ito siya March 3, 1987. You can search it in the internet. Yan din ang lalabas. Na-end contract sila sa ABS-CBN for 11 consecutive years hanggang November 9, 1998. So, pero yung 11 years niyang performance, doon siya sumikat. TV sitcom lang yan, ha? Hindi pa kasama ang movie. Come to imagine. Ano pa itong sasabihin ko? Marami siyang kuan. Meron siyang ito, this is the most important part. This is the most important part in my necrological video. She is one of the last surviving stars from the first golden age of Philippine cinema. Siya. Kung in terms of public image, ito mas importante ito. Sa public image, she was described as the according to Filipino hairdresser Ricky Reyes, Romero epitomizes great character, good values, everything that makes a woman beautiful, not just physically, although spiritually as well. Aside from that, from Boy Abunda, he praised Romero and he said, Tita Glo is the longest reigning monarch of Philippine cinema. Totoo yan. Kasi, saan ka nakakanap na actress na ganyang katagal? More than 60 years. Aabot ng total 70 years. So, yun. Actually, to be honestly speaking, kung hahabain ko itong mga kuan, talagang talaga siya tatagal itong number of minutes. Kaya itong mga nasabi ko is important. necrological video sa Philippines. By the way, yung gaya na sinabi ko kanina, namatay siya January 25, Sabado siya namatay. During her death, her wake was being transferred in Arlington Memorial Chapels and Crematory. So nagkaroon ng public viewing. Meron din akong lista kung sino yung mga artist na bumisita sa kanya. Ito ay si Michael De Mesa, Charo Santos Concio, Isa Calzado, Ami Perez, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung gumanap sa Palibhasa Lalaki, Tirso Cruz III, Jamie Rivera, Philip Salvador Umaten, Snooki Serna, yung mag-asawa, yung Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez. By the way, I mentioned Regine Velasquez because yung isang movie, yung 1989, yan yung title ng music, then yan din yung title ng movie, yung 1989, Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang. By the way, itong movie, Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang, sila yun ni Dot Lotelio, Pops Fernandez, Maricel Soriano, Eric Quezon kasama din, Ramon Christopher, sila din. Tapos if you can recall yung namatay na actor, yung lately binaril siya, yung actor si Eddie Garcia. Ayan, binigyan ko kaya ng a little feedback yung movie na yan. Siya yung mother sa 3 daughters, yung Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang. So yun. At nandun din si Vilma Santos. By the way, si Gloria Romero at Vilma Santos, meron silang 2 movies na hindi niya makakalimutan. Ito yung Kapag Langit ang Humatol, silang gumanap. Then may isa pa, Gaano Kadalas ang Minsan, sila din. 2 actress in 2 different movies, of course different years. So yun. By the way, during her death, she was cremated. At itong cremation niya is tumama sa Chinese New Year, January 29, 2025. So therefore, during Chinese New Year, siya na-cremate. Then, ang nag-cremate sa kanya is from Arlington Memorial Chapels and Crematory. So yun. Then after her cremation, nagkaroon ng parade. Yes, nagkaroon ng parade. Yung before crematory, tapos yung cremate na siya, dinala beside her husband's columbarium, yung si Juancho Gutierrez. So, dinala siya sa Our Lady of Mount Carmel Columbarium that is located in New Manila, Quezon City. Yun ang labas. Then, by the way, meron ako ilalagay sa description, Queen of Philippine Cinema. Yes. Queen of Philippine Cinema that will come out. Tapos meron pa Grace Kelly of the Philippines. Yes, may similarities sila compare kay Grace Kelly at Gloria Romero. Okay, so napaka-important. Tapos marami pa ako sasabihin. Meron ako ilalagay dyan, National Artist of the Philippines or Philippine National Artist of Golden Cinema. It will come. Lahat ng mga hinahanap ninyo lalabas sa description. Okay? And by the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.